Hey yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Captain Blue. We are back with another video. So today we are going to be analyzing USDT. As you can see, it's an H4 time frame. It's an H4 time frame here. So we are going to be cooking out USDT. So make sure that you click that subscribe button if you're interested in what the boy is cooking. So let's get it. So as you can see, this is our USDT chart on H4. USDT, it's very bullish. As you can see, USDT is very bullish. It's been creating highs and breaking them. You understand? It's been creating highs and breaking them, meaning it's been creating new highs. You understand? So far we are here. We are expecting the market to push to this level here, and then probably from there, that's where we can definitely push to the upside, and then we take out that overall high there. Or also this can happen. You understand? Also that can also happen. So let us continue with our analysis. So let's remove everything and then we continue with the analysis. So as you can see here, we have USDT on an H4 time frame. Understand? So we are going to be marking out our overall low, which is this one, and our overall high, which is this one. And you can definitely see the market, ever since it created that high, it's now moving inside the overall high and the overall low. You understand? So meaning we are expecting something like this, and then maybe a push, or the market comes back to this low. You understand? So let us continue with the analysis. So if you can check here where the market created an overall low and where the market created an overall high. Where it created an overall low, it left us a what? A demand zone here, right? We have a fresh, untested demand zone. You understand? So we are just going to be marking it as our demand zone. You understand? And then from there, after that demand zone, after the market created that demand zone, it started pushing to the upside. You understand? It gave us this demand zone, and then it broke that demand zone with a bullish engulfing candlestick, and then it continued pushing, right? So we also have a second low here, right? We have a second low here, and then just above that low we have a break of structure, because the market was what? The market, it's bullish. You understand? We have a BOS there because of the market, it's bullish. You understand? And then also we have the market continued breaking structures to the upside. We have a second BOS there. We have our third BOS here, meaning our break of structures. So I will also mark this one here. Understand? And then also we have our fourth break of structure here, where the market was creating highs and breaking those highs. You understand? And then from here we have our last break of structure, which it's this one here. So we have just marked out our last break of structure. So let's just extend the market a little bit. So we are going, for now, before we focus on this area below here, we are going to be focusing on where the market gave us this low here and then it started pushing to the upside just like that. You understand? We are going to be focusing there. So where the market gave us this low here, right? We have the last bearish candlestick before that push to the upside, meaning that's our what? That's our second demand zone on US30. That's our second demand zone. And then from here we can definitely see that we had a zone here, we had a low, the market broke this low, meaning that's where we also got a break of structure to the downside. That's a BOS, you understand? And then here, this is our demand zone. And then from here, just below that BOS here, we had liquidity resting just below this level, you understand? And then that liquidity has been swept, you understand? The liquidity has been taken, as you can see here. It's the candlestick that took out that liquidity, you understand? After it swept that liquidity, it also built up what? Sell side liquidity also, just below that area. So let's mark our sell side liquidity, meaning there are a lot of buyers who took trades from that area. You understand? There is money resting below this area, and then from there the market started pushing what? To the upside after creating that liquidity, and then we got a small pullback and then a continuation to the upside and then a pullback, and then from here we got a push to the upside. So remember, we are expecting a small push to this area just to sweep liquidity, and then the market can definitely continue pushing to the upside. So as the market was pushing to the upside, right, we got this whole zone here. Market respected that zone, you understand? As you can see here, that's where also it came back, it tapped that demand zone, and then from there it continued pushing to the upside, meaning that's how we can definitely see that the market was definitely pushing to the upside, meaning it was respecting some of the demand zones like this one. This one was definitely a perfect entry if you entered exactly here, you understand? Sorry, this one was definitely a perfect entry if you entered exactly there, you understand? So but we can definitely see that the market pushed to the upside, right? From there, from here, pushed up, created a higher high, and then from here it gave us something like a uh, double top, and then from there it pushed to the downside. And then you can definitely see that this low, it's no longer equal to these ones, you understand? From there, meaning that's where we can definitely say that we're expecting the market to push to the downside, you understand? So if we take our eyes up to this area, exactly where the market created a high for us, exactly where the market created a high for us here, we can use this candlestick as as our supply zone, you understand? And then you can definitely see that the market respected that supply zone very well, you understand? It respected that supply zone very well, you understand? Meaning the market closed below the what? Below that supply zone, you understand? Market closed below that supply zone, meaning that's the reason why we are looking for a what? For a push to the downside, you understand? So probably if the market is volatile, remember it's also NFP week, we might be targeting that demand zone there. You understand? So it's also NFP week, we might reach our overall demand zone. So let us continue. Let us continue. So if you can check here, we have that supply zone right there. It has been tested. Last week, Friday, the market tested that supply zone and then it pushed to the downside, meaning it broke to the downside. Sorry, let me just, so that it gives exactly from week to week here. Yeah. Sorry. So, as you can see, since the market respected uh, our supply zone and then it left a lot of liquidity on these lows, you understand? On these lows here, it left a lot of liquidity, meaning there are a lot of buyers who bought the market. So meaning at some point we have liquidity also resting here. So we are going to be looking for sells. We are going to be monitoring sells for this week on US30. Remember, it's also NFP week, but we are going to see how the market reacts from this supply zone. You understand? If the market respects that supply zone, then we probably know that we are definitely going to have that massive push to the downside. Probably Friday it's just gonna add spice into the market, and then the market just pushes to the downside just like that. Probably we can also come back and take out these highs. You understand? So this is definitely what we are looking for. So we are definitely going to be monitoring sales, meaning for this week we are going to be looking for entry there, and then we just target the what? We just target that overall demand zone. You understand? We target that overall demand zone, because also remember, I also like to show you things in certain ways. If you are using trendline analysis, then you can definitely see that you have a first touch there and then a second touch here. We are expecting a what? A third touch somewhere here. You understand? Since we also have a zone, we might also get something like this. You understand? And then if the market is still bullish, and then we can just continue pushing to the upside from that level. You understand? So it's like that. So this is what we're expecting on USDT this week. So make sure that you monitor the pair. I will also be monitoring USDT with the VIP group. You understand? We are going to be trading USDT exactly on Monday. So make sure that you're also monitoring this pair. You understand? So that you don't miss out on this very beautiful trade. So I think we have reached the end of today's session. So make sure that you follow the setup. Make sure you keep your eyes on the setup for USDT, and also make sure that you click that like button, you like, comment, and share the video. And also, if you are interested in what the boy is cooking, make sure that you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the videos that we upload. You understand? So let's catch you guys on the next video. Take care.